Diba may ano yan?
Hello. Oh, hello. Fresh for
Ano yung sa BPH? Baka yun. Normal. For
Might be hard to...
I think it's not bad.
How would you label this? Unstable or sharp? Imbalance. Surgical patients based on prolonged potassium-free fluids can develop potassium deficits.
Mostly to the rats and the man. Okay, so the eggs of Hymenopteris diminuta are passed out in the feces of the infective definitive hook.
Ano sabi mo, Pat?
Pupunta na ako sa langit. I see the light. Before I go study pharma, I see the light.
Oh. Hello. What is spaghetti?
Discussion leader para wala nang sasagot.
Wait, ano sabihin niya kay Doc? Hindi kayo makasagot?
I don't know.
I don't understand.
Yes, no surge. Yes.
Ayaw ko siguro pag binag mo yung kanina.
Thank you, Brent. Mark, thank you for the pasalubong.
Hello.
Look at this stress face. Alam mo yun, si Tuesday.
Hindi halata, charot.
Today, my schedule is, I have quiz in pharma, my God, pero hindi naman may nag-present. And then right now we have OB, I don't know what to recite. And then with micro, hindi ko rin alam. And then, we have Q&A and ClinPath, and then we have a quiz and ClinPath.
Makinig ka na sa Q&A.
Oo, ng 7.
That's what I did sa para.
Yeah,
It works.
4 topics. Sikti mo. Sama ka sa vlog niya.
Hello, vlog!
Hello!
Ang taas oh! Kumusta ka?
I'm dying. May pharma kami.
Kaya mo yan.
Dami. Lahat tinanong.
Kaya na ba ng
Yeah. Bye! Good luck! Ibi, ano yan? Intermission daw, intermission.
After po yung suitability, meron pong the last number. List ha. After suitability.
Sit up and enjoy our show. Okay, pag-ibig kayo. Miss Rowan, explain this one.
And his smoking history of 45 pack use is also of concern, and as well as his occupation. So he's an engineer. So we.
For your background, isoniazid is your mycolic acid synthesis. It is the very thick layer that is very
Patient, and this would lead to the inhibition of COX-1 or the shunting of arachidonic acid.
Then, for the specific objectives para ma-reach natin itong overall goal natin, first is to address yung chief complaint.
The first criteria would be, again, the drug must be fast-acting. Two, the drug must be able to relieve symptoms are controlled. So this one, there wasn't no one saying no lethal because
Gonna be with me as I tour my friends
Wow.
in the building.
Building ko to?
Yeah.
Ilang square meters?
Guys, don't be shy. Feel at home. Feel at home lang. Just call Kuya.
We're here with
Talo ka sa bahay ko.
Hello.
Hello!
Visit the projection na.
Oo, na-video ko. Lahat, everything that could go wrong went wrong.
Hi guys. Hello. Kumain na sila.
Ano?
Ano?
Ano? Sinong libre?
Libre daw si Liz.
Yay!
Ano?
So small.
I gave it some
What did you give?
corned beef.
Ah, corned beef.
Kinain niya.
Nakataas yung tail eh.
Oh God, hinahanap niya. Gahanap pa siya.
All to your mother's endometrium very well.
Food usually manifesting as urticaria. Are there any allergies to food, to any medications, to environmental factors such as cold, pollen, dust mites?
Can be due to the narrowing of the airways as well. We should also take note that psychological factors such as stress can induce the symptoms of the patient. With all of this pertinent positive,
Pwede na daw yun. Kasi parang, di mo malaman talaga yung resiliency.
Nga
Kasi
eh.
ito, bursa.
Bursa yan eh.
For attachments. Si Fran.
Likod mo be?
Morning of surgery. Sagot dito.
Hello.
Oh my gosh, some morning hairs.
I woke up like this hair. Hello, Liz. Musta?
Pwede, ano, steroids.
Ayun.
Pwede.
I am a night-riding mosquito and I live in marshes, pools, and small pools of water. Kakasangkit ko lang kanina ng baboy. Hindi na kaya pwedeng magaling. Culex, no biting! Culex, no biting! Oh, man!
So as who goes to the Pitan Street because he's hungry.
Good morning po kuya. Can I have orders for neon type of?
Hindi English sa bansa ako ha. O pwet mo.
Sarap.
Then after 28 days.
Oh no, I'm sick.
So you might be wondering what happened to our student, Mark.
This Saturday.
Kunin mo yung
Oh.
kabila.
Okay.
Cool. Pero you could adjust it na lang. Tapos, you have to do it 3 times. So, isa pa. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
So, ayun. Okay na. For 2 legs.
Same.
Tapos, igagawin mo lang here tsaka here this time. Tapos, check for bleeding. If may bleeding kasi, you have to knot that. Yun lang. Yun yung kabilis yung 2 legs.
Wow.
2 mission time.
Yung ano?
Ito. Let's just apply a nest and sleep. I think that's what we should.
Kasi date na lang.
Hypnosis.
Hello.
Ano?
Rapidity of what yun? The length of?
I forgot. Leg, pag leg, leg slower yung induct.
Can you remember the question pa? Yung dun
Halos.
sa
capacity ng unit dito?
Kung 6 or 3.
Go lang, go lang. More!